Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a tutorial one for candlestick series. So in this video we'll be covering basics about candlestick and why you should use candlestick and how it can marginally shoot up your profit probability. So guys, candlestick was originated in Japan, I think somewhere around 1900. It's one of the best charting techniques available. Not one of the best, I'll say the best charting technique available. If you want to do intraday trading, or maybe if you want to keep the share for a week also, or a month or for long term. So if you know how to study candlestick every bits of it, you're gonna be a successful trader, and I think you're gonna be a millionaire as well. So from zero to hero, we say. That's what candlestick is going to make. So purpose of my making this tutorial series is to teach you guys on how to read this candlestick, because a lot of guys they gather a small information and think they are capable enough to trade in the market. They put a huge sum of amount and they incur a lot of losses, right? So I'm from a non-IT background. Initially I also faced the same. However, I read a lot of books. I did study the market for a long time, and I came with the knowledge which I want to share using these tutorials. So coming back to this screenshots I have about candlesticks. So we have two kind of candles. One is green candle and a red candle. Now green candle is market price are going higher, right? So my open is less than close, right? So my close is greater than open. That means the price has gone up. So that's why my green candle has formed. So which indicate market is going higher, that particular stock is going higher. Red candle means price is going lower. So in this, my open is greater than close. So let's say if I have a 1 hour candle, so opening was around 400 rupees and it closed around 300 rupees, right? So that's why there's a red candle to indicate market is going lower. Now apart from this, the green and red part, so this part is represented as body, right? So this is the body of a candlestick, and the line you see that's between the close and the high, this one is known as the shadow, right? Similar, this one is known as the shadow. Similarly, this and this are known as the shadow, and this is the body of a candlestick. Now as a nuanced trader, what they do is they try to see just the color of the candlestick and they try to predict, okay, what's going to happen next. But that's not it, guys. That's one of the thing, but it's not going to shoot up your profit probability. One of the important thing in candlestick is this shadow. This gives you who has the control in the market. Is it a buyer or a seller? And 90% of time you can predict what's the next candlestick going to form like, right? So we are going to cover how to read this candlestick and how you can predict it, what's going to be market for next 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So I hope I would be able to give you that capability. Okay, so now talking about this shadow, why this shadow is significant, I'll give you one of the examples, right? Let's say this is a green candle, right? Now you can see the body is much bigger than that of the shadow. Almost body is almost 4 times the shadow. So I can say that, okay, buyers are in control in this particular time of market when this green candle was formed, right? And the next candle is gonna be probably opening higher somewhat here or here, and it's going to form another green candle, something like this, because buyers are in control, right? So initially buyer took the price up, then seller came in, but seller, there was not a huge number of seller, and so the candle did close on a green side. Now what if the candle has been formed like this? It's a green candle, right? But this has formed like this. What does it mean, guys? if a nuanced trader would say it's a green candle, that means next gonna be a green one, but that's not the case, guys. I would say so assume initially when this particular candle started making, so the buyer pushed the price higher till this point, right? But the seller came in and the seller pushed the price lower. So by the end of this particular candlestick, the seller got the control, and there's a very high probability that that next candle it's going to open lower, or it's gonna be a negative candle. So guys, candlestick is one of the important thing if you are an intraday trader, not just for intraday trader, but if you are looking for a short term or long term, then candlestick is going to help you a lot. So guys, I'll keep this video till here. Will get into the technical things in the subsequent videos, and that will give you a capability to predict the market quite right and very accurately. If you have any comments, please do in the comments, post in the comment section. Please like my video if you like it, and please subscribe my channel for any upcoming videos. Guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.